great privilege that God has given for some of us. This great name, Chris Perry, what he has done for Goa, that many not done that much, because he kept his name on right high. Because he is the only Goan musician came up with that standard who could write beautiful Konkani songs and write them in the different style. But nobody could do that kind of writing and bringing on the stage that kind of songs. Very modern way, very, because he was a really talented musician and also he has a lot of knowledge of music.
It is such a great honor and a great privilege to realize that my father, Chris Perry, has been honored with this road in his name. I've known him since the day I was born. He's my father. He's the greatest musician that I've ever known. He's been my teacher, my mentor. He's the greatest jazz musician that I've known. I've met Chick Corea, who's played with me. Joseph Zawinul's played with me. Ron Carter and all the great musicians play with me. But my father is the best. Chris Perry is the best. I learned from him. He's my teacher. And I'm so honored that the government of Goa has honored my father. I thank the government of Goa. I thank Mr. Vijay. And I thank all the people of Goa for supporting not only my father, but supporting me and putting me where I am. I love all the people of Goa. All I can say, love you all.
From the music community are so proud and feel so honored that Chris Perry has been given this fantastic honor of having a street named after him. And we hope that this Chris Perry street will be filled with laughter and joy for eternity.
Senior and eminent personalities from the locality had proposed to the council and to me that this road should be named after Chris Perry. Like Mr. Albert Kulas, Ernest Moniz, and then the councillor, the local councillor Glenn Amrat, he has moved a resolution in the council, and we have decided to name this road after Chris Perry. We could have named a bigger road, but we didn't want to erase somebody else's name and put this name. We didn't want to create a controversy behind the road name, where there is people want to search for a controversy everywhere. We didn't want to give them one. So I think this is a token of our love, our appreciation and honor, the recognition of the honor for the great man that he was. We are very happy to have all these eminent people from the music field and also his son to have graced the